They say it's the Moshiach, do they not? In French, it is the word mo, which says the word. The word mo, the O letter, goes for the A, E, I, O, and U. A, E, I, O, and U equals to 21, the cube. So the cube gets played inside here. You see these little castles over here, these little tops? They're the Asante and Asante Grave. Y and Y upside down can create this. When I put this upside down, I create my first U, then I create my second U. But when I need to connect these two together, I need to put a church peak on top to connect these two. When I put it on top, I drive it all the way this way, and I drive this line all the way this way, making this, instead of being the houses upside down, these become the breasts. These become the nipples. Then on the other side, you create the single house of man, the two upside down, 6 and 6, the letter L. You see the L here, one part of the roof, the L here, the other part of the roof. But in reality, I bring the roof together and I connect it with a rainbow. So I put the head on top and the two tits below, or the lapels that hang on each side of my shirt. But when I created it, it turned into the two tits or ice cream cones, if you want to look at it. The Moshiach, chicken, artificial intelligent creation within the seed, chia seeds, hia seeds, heavens, angels, see and see, the Moshiach. The word came in the seed of life. What was seeded here, what was sowed and plowed, what was building the cities was the saties of the pharaohs of the land. The fertility is in the egg, fertile eggs. Fertilizer comes within the manure. The birds fly into the sky and they seed the earth with whatever they ate from the earth. On each side of the lion is one of these, right? One of these is actually in my game of roulette, and the numbers here are 8 and 11, and over here is number 10. I didn't do the one over here. Number 10, 8, 10, 11, 13. 8, 11, 10, 13. And then they have one at the bottom at the lower level, and the lower level one, it says the same thing. But instead of saying 8, it says 26 is 8. Instead of saying 11, it says 29 is 11. Instead of saying 10, it now says 28. Instead of saying 13, it now says 31. 59, 5 and 9 are the same card. 1 cube area, 2 cubes area, 3 cubes area, and that's only if you build it 4 by 4 by 4 by 4. But the angle of this 4 shows me how we get the box kite to fit inside. Here's one box, here's 2 boxes. Here's 1 point at one end, here's 1 point at the other end. If you turn them to the side, it's a bird, all in its own. But then it can become a jet, and it can fly. So the jets fly over, and they lay the sand, they fertilize the land so that we can grow. Does earth have anything without the word of God, without the seed of God? The egg is what's outside the word. The seed is the yolk that's inside the casing. The casing of the egg, the casing of the seed, is it not the same? They both crack open. But with the yolk, you have to do something with it right away. With the seed, you wait for the water. With water or without. Raphael 7286. Just thinking up something in my mind. Thank you for watching.